Hello everyone, welcome back. So today's topic is going to be on C interview questions on printf statements. Okay, so I'll be teaching you few of the code snippets and how the code snippets will work. What are the output that we are going to get making use of only printf statements. So what is the basic syntax? The first example that I've written here is only the basic syntax of printf statements. Once after me teaching you this particular concept, then let's move on to some of the few important placement interview questions. Okay. So printf is a keyword. Within printf, open and close the brackets. Within double quotes, whatever string you type, that particular string will be displayed as the output. Okay. So let me just run this code within the main method. Within the main method, I just write printf statement. Okay. So let's run the code and check what is the output we are getting. So we get hello world, right? That is the string within printf statement will be printed. So printf statement is the output statement. Fine. Okay. Now let's move on to the actual code snippets. Okay, now see this particular code. The previous example which I taught you was only printf, right? Only printf statement within hello world. Now what is this concept? It is printf within printf. Okay, so printf is within printf. There are two nested printf statements. So what will be the output? Now come here, printf, line number 6, printf. What value I'm printing? I'm trying to print a decimal value with the format specifier %d followed by, there should be some memory reference, right? I have to retrieve the value from the memory and then I have to print. But here I'm just printing the output of printf, right? There's one more function which is called printf function. Okay, so what will this do? First, the innermost printf will get executed and then the outermost printf will come and execute. Fine. So coming here, first the innermost printf will be executed. What is the answer here? It will print hello world. So the output will be hello world. Then the return value, please understand, the return value of printf statements will be the number of characters it has displayed. So the innermost printf is executed by displaying hello world onto the terminal as output, right? Hello world is being printed, but how many characters are printed here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, space 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 characters are printed onto the terminal. So the output of any printf statements will be, after printing the specified string onto the terminal, the return value of printf will be the number of characters it has printed. Got it? So how many characters this innermost printf has printed? 11 characters. So this particular statement will be replaced by 11. So after the execution here, you will have printf. Okay, so %d, then this printf will be replaced by 11. Got it? Okay, so printf, I'm printing some integer value as it is, but what value? The second argument is one more printf statement. What will this printf statement do? It will display hello world onto the terminal. After printing hello world, the entire statement will be replaced by the return value of printf. But what will be the return value of printf? It is the number of characters it has displayed onto the terminal. So how many characters? 11 characters. So 11 will be replaced here. Okay. So now what is the output? Hello world followed by %d will now print 11. So the answer will be hello world 11. So let's check the output here. I'll run the code. Okay, I'll just remove this comment line. Now I'll run the code. See what is the answer I've got? Hello world and 11. Okay, so hello world followed by 11. First it will print hello world. After printing hello world, the return value of printf statement will be 11. So it will be replaced by 11 here, followed by once the outermost printf is executing, for the first character is new line. So hello world, it will come to new line and then it will print the %d, which means the argument value. Okay, that will be 11. Suppose if I take /n, so what will be the output here? Hello world, within the same line 11 will be printed. Now check the output. So hello world 11. So if I include a new line character here, check for the output. After printing hello world, second time it's printing the output of this printf statement, new line will be created and then 11 will be printed. Okay, this is the second one. Let's move on to the third question. Okay, what is the third question? Can you see? How many printf statements are there? There are 3 printf statements. Innermost printf, outermost, and the final outermost printf, right? So there are 3 printf statements. Now what will happen? Come here, printf. So it should print a decimal value. from which argument? From the remaining arguments, right? But remaining arguments, there are one more printf statements. What is that? Again, it will come to this printf. So it should print another integer value. Again, from which argument it should take? The argument is one more printf statement. So first innermost printf will be executed. So what is the answer? First it will print hello world. The return value of this will be replaced by 11, correct? Hello world is already printed 11. Then this printf will print the return value 11, right? Let's see. It will be printf percentage d comma printf percentage d comma 11. After printing hello world, the current statement will be like this: printf percentage d printf 11, right? Now this particular printf, the second printf will print 11, right? So output will be hello world followed by 11, right? Now what is the return value of this printf? It has printed 11, right? So how many characters it has printed? 2 characters. So this complete statement will be replaced by 2. Finally, you will have printf percentage d and 2. What is the answer? You will get 2. Fine. See, I'll explain again. There are 3 printf statements. First, the innermost printf will print hello world. Hello world is printed onto the terminal. Return value of this printf will be 11. So this in second printf statement will print 11. Okay, then second printf is printing 11. How many characters? 2 characters. This printf is printing only 2 characters. Okay, so which means third printf will print 2. So the output will be hello world 11 and 2. Okay, hello world and 12. Why 12 here? Printf hello world followed by slash n. There's one more slash n, right? If I remove slash n, it will be hello world 11 and 2. Okay, if I give slash n here, backslash n, now run the code. Hello world 11 and why 3? Because hello world, after printing hello world, you're coming to new line, it's creating a new line and then you print 11, right? So how many characters? New line followed by 11. So there are 3 characters. So the outermost printf will print 3 characters. Got it? Okay, now let's move on to the next question. The fourth question. What is the fourth question? Within main method, you have int x is equal to 10, printf percentage d, there's only one. See the syntax here. If you print percentage d, what is the answer we'll get? We'll get some garbage value because percentage d should point to the memory reference, retrieve the value from the memory and it should be displayed, right? But what is the second argument? I'm not specifying the second argument. So the output will be a garbage value. So what is the output? Such kind of question, it will be garbage value. Okay, got it? Now let's run the code. Ignore about the warning, it's just the warning because I'm not following the actual format of printf statements here because it is the format I'm specifying, that's why I'm getting this warning. Now see the output here. What is the output? It's a garbage value. Got it? Okay, so this kind of output, you'll a code snippet, you'll get garbage value as the output. Next one. Okay, this is quite interesting. Now observe, int a is equal to 5, return hello within double quotes, after double quotes plus 1 comma a. What will be the output? I am passing the value here hello. Output will be, if it is plus 1 here after the string, h will be ignored, one character will be ignored, output will be ELLO. Okay, now let's check the output here. Ignore about the warnings because I'm not following the actual printf format here. Okay, now see ELLO, which means such kind of code snippets, what you will get, HELLO is the string. If I give plus 1, H will be removed. Okay, one character from left side will be deleted. The remaining characters will be printed. Okay, so this is the output of this code snippet. Let's move on to the next one. Now, I hope you can easily answer this question. Printf hello plus 2 after double quotes plus 2, which means first 2 characters will be ignored and remaining 3 characters will be displayed. So let's check. Okay, LLO. See the output here, it is LLO. Okay. Okay. The next one. Okay, now this should be very interesting because it is pointer variable. Character pointer is equal to hello world. So PTR is a character pointer variable. hello world is the string. Okay, now what I'm doing, I'm printing ptr plus 2, which means ptr plus 1 means one character, one byte. Ptr plus 2, two characters, because each character will occupy one byte because it is character data type. Got it? So what it will do, ptr plus 2. Now check the output, it will remove the first two characters. See the output here, llo world. So it will remove the first two characters and then it will print. You got it? Understood? This is using pointer variable. The previous example which I taught you is not pointer variable. Within the printf statements itself, I'm just ignoring the characters and then print the remaining characters. But here using pointer variable, if this is equation ptr plus 2, okay, if I give ptr plus 1, what will happen? It will only ignore one character because it is one byte. One character will occupy one byte. Character is of size 1 byte. Now let's run the code. See here, you will get ELLO world. Okay, these are warnings. You can just ignore the warning. This is the output you will get. Okay, ELLO followed by world. Okay, now see the next question will also be very interesting. PTR plus 2. Same question, but what is the data type here? It is integer pointer variable. It is integer variable, right? A pointer variable of type integer data type. What will happen? Hello world, I'm printing. What is the actual size here? It will be 4 bytes, right? 4 bytes. Integer occupies 4 bytes. PTR plus 1 means, observe, if I give PTR plus 1, okay, address, current address value, which is pointing to the first byte, plus 1 means 4 bytes. Okay, 4 bytes means how many characters? 4 characters, HELL. Okay, so it will ignore HELL, the first 4 characters, and the remaining characters will be printed. You got it? Whether when it is character, one character will occupy 1 byte. Since it is integer, I'm just ignoring one integer value, which means 4 bytes of the string. 4 bytes means HELL. Okay, now let's run. You will get O followed by world. Okay, there's an error throwing here. 1 second. Sorry. Line number, I haven't removed the comment line. Okay, now let's run. I'll just make change here 1. Okay, now let's run. See here, O space, since it's pointer variable, right? I'm getting this warning. In some other editors, if you do with some other editors, since it's online editor, I'm just getting errors like this. O space, these are warning. Okay, O space world. Fine. O space world. So HELL. HELL will be ignored. You will get O space WORLD. Okay, O space world will be the output. This is the output you will get. Okay. Okay, now if it is 2, I'll make it to 2. What is the answer you will get? 4 plus 4, 8 bytes. So HELL 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You will get RLD as the answer. Now let's run the code. You will get only RLD as the answer. See RLD. You will get RLD as the answer. Got it? Okay, this is how you ignore few characters and display few characters using pointer variable. Next one. Just observe this code. Please observe this code, this part of code snippet. It is pointer again. Int x is equal to 10 star PTR. For PTR is a pointer variable. What is the value of x? 10. Okay, PTR is equal to address of x, which means now PTR will point to x. Okay, what is star PTR? Is equal to 0. Now let me just trace and teach you. Okay, x equal to 10. Suppose x is stored at address 1000. Okay, at 1000, at address 1000, x value is being stored in the memory. Next PTR, you have one more PTR. Suppose if PTR is stored at address 2000. Okay, I'm not giving any value to PTR here in this line. Then come to the next line. What is PTR value? PTR, which means 2000, it's been pointed at address 2000. PTR is equal to, what is this? Address of x. What is address of x? 1000. So PTR will have 1000. Okay. Now next. See this particular line. Star PTR is equal to 0. What is PTR pointing? It is pointing to x, right? It's directly pointing to the address, which means now it has access to the value of x. Now, how to retrieve value of x? It is using star PTR. Star PTR is equal to x. PTR is 100. Star PTR is equal to 10. Now, what I'm doing, I'm making star PTR as 0. So, now x value will be replaced with 0. Okay, using the pointer variable, I'm trying to change the value of x. So, these two statements are this statement is mandatory, where PTR value holds the address of another variable. Now, what is the value of x? It is 0. Now, I'm trying to print the value of x as 0. Understood? I'll repeat again. X is equal to 10, which is stored at address 1000. PTR is again stored at address 2000. At line number 9, when line number 9 is executed, PTR value will be 1000, because value that I'm assigning to PTR is address of x. So, PTR is pointing to variable x. Okay. Now, how do I change the value of x? Now, PTR will be 1000, but star PTR dereferencing operator means it will point to the value of x. Okay. After pointing to the value of x, I'm changing the value of x to 0. So, it will change the value of x to 0. So, the output will be 0. The output of x should be 0. See, value is equal to 0. Got it? This is how this code works. That's it. Then, the next question. Static int array of I comma I. Here static doesn't matter. Okay. So I is equal to 0, I less than or equal to 5, I plus plus, printf percentage d, array of I is equal to 1. When I is equal to 0, what is array of 1? Array of 0, it is 1. I equal to 1, array of 1 is equal to 1. Array I equal to 2, again array of I, again it will be 1. So what is the answer you will get? See here, I'll trace. I is equal to 0. Okay, 0 is less than 5, less than or equal to 5, correct? True. It will come inside the for loop. What is the output? First output you will get array of 0. What is array of 0? I'm making it to 1. So this is the first output. Then it will go back to for loop again. I value is incremented to 1. 1 is lesser or equal to 5. So it is true, it will come inside. What is array of 1? 1 will be printed. Okay. Then it will print array of 1. What is array of 1 again? It is equal to 1. So answer will be 1. So how many times 1 will be printed? 5 times will be printed. So I have to get, for each and every iteration, I'll get 5 ones. So let's run the code. Okay, it is 6 times. Why? Because I'm moving from 0 to equal to 5. So if I just remove equal to 5, I'll get 5 ones. See, 5 ones. Since it is equal to 5, which means iteration will move from 0 to 5, which means for array of 0, 1, array of 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So, you'll get the answer 6 ones. Okay. This is very interesting. Now, just observe printf backslash. Okay, let me run the code, then you can just easily trace. What I'm getting only once, HELLO. So what is happening? How many printf statements are there? There are 3 printf statements. But how many outputs I'm getting? I'm getting only one output, right? Come here. Just I'll teach you. Printf backslash n. Backslash n, thus I'm getting one new line here. AELLA. Okay. Immediately after next printf, it is backslash b. It will print AELLA. Then after that, it is printing backslash b, which means it will delete one character from the end. So this A will be replaced by O. Okay, it's deleting. Now the cursor is here, right? Before cursor was here. Okay, after line number 7, it will delete one character from the end and it will replace it with, it's replacing it with O. Okay, then when line number 8 is executed, it is slash r, carriage return, which means my cursor was printing here, right? It will move to the first character, carriage return, and then it will print A. It is replacing A with H. So the answer will be HELLO. Got it? See, when I run, HELLO. Okay, I'll just comment these 2 lines, run the code. AELLA, right? So let me remove only one line, AELLO. Then if you remove the 8th line, you'll get HELLO. Okay. So slash B backspace slash R carriage return. Next question. So if you would have watched my previous video, I would have taught you about increment operator, how increment operators will work. Okay. If you don't know, just observe. Please watch that video and come back so that it will be easy for you to learn this particular code snippet. Int x equal to y. Y is equal to plus plus x into plus plus x. X minus is equal to 2. Printf percentage d, two values, square root of x comma y. What is xqr? I have already defined here. What is SQR? It's again plus plus b into plus plus b. Okay, now let me trace the code. What is value of x here? 2. Now come here. What is y value? Y is equal to plus plus x, right? What is plus plus x? 3 into, there's another plus plus x here, so which is 4. I've already taught you if there are increment operators. Okay, what will happen here? The first two operands values will change. After 4, it will change the first operand 4 and then it will perform. Now it will become y is equal to 16. 4 into 4 is 16. Understood? I'll repeat. Please observe here. Y is equal to plus plus x means it is 3 into, there's one more plus plus x, it's 4. Immediately after this, what will happen? It will go to this particular operand, change the current value of x as 4. This is the current value, so it will change. So y is equal to 16. Okay. Again, x equal to, what is x value here? X equal to x minus. What is x value here? It was 4, right? So current x value is 4. So 4 minus 2, which is nothing but 2. So x value is 2, y value is 16. Now it will come here. What is happening? It is SQR of x. Come here. SQR of x. What is x? SQR of 2, right? SQR of 2. That is equal to plus plus. What is plus plus b? B is 2, so it will be 3 into, again plus plus b, it is 4. Since it is increment operator, it will come here. It will become 4. What is 4 into 4? Is equal to 16. So value of 16 will be sent to this particular line. So the output that you will get is 16 by 16. 16 and 16 is the answer. Let's run the code. 16 and 16. Okay. You can give some other values and just trace. The next question. Now check the output. You check the output, then it will be very easy for you to find out. There are two printf statements. Hello backslash x capital A. This is the syntax. Okay, hello followed by backslash s capital A. What happened? Hello, next line, welcome. So backslash, it is equivalent to backslash x A is equivalent to backslash n. Backslash n. It's equal to the new line. Backslash x capital A is equal to new line character. Okay, and that's why I've given you this example. Next one. Backslash xd. Backslash xa is for new line. Backslash xd, what will happen? It will go, it acts like a carriage return. It is equivalent to backslash r. Slash xd slash xd will act as equivalent to backslash r. Okay. So what will happen? It will come to this particular character, first character. It will remove a, replace it with next printf statement h. So you're getting hello. Okay. Next question. Slash xb. It acts as a vertical tab. It acts equivalent to a vertical tab. Okay, so it will print hello. It will go to the next line, create new line, and then the next one will be printed after a single tab. So it's equivalent to backslash v. It's equivalent to a vertical tab. Okay. Next one. This is quite interesting. Observe a string. array of characters, backslash n, so it's coming to new line and it's printing percentage 10.3s, percentage 10.3s, which means it will ignore 0.3, means it will ignore the first three characters HEL, okay, and it will start printing LO space welcome, but from where? Not from the first column, okay. It will give 10 spaces and then it will print LO welcome. Let's run the code. See, after 10 spaces it's just printing HEL, okay. So 10.3s. So after giving 10 spaces, okay, the first three characters will be considered and it will be printed. Next one. Now can you just guess what is the output here? Printf within printf. So printf C interview questions. How many characters? 1, 2, 3. It will print C interview questions followed by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay. So let's run. So it should print C interview questions followed by 21. So already I had taught you the concepts before. Okay. Now coming to scanf statements. Scanf is within printf. Scanf is input statement, right? Printf is output statement. I'm using scanf within printf. So what will happen? Scanf, how many values I'm reading? 3 values, right? What is the return value of scanf statements? The number of inputs that we read. How many inputs we are reading here? 3 inputs, right? It's not the number of characters, it is the number of inputs. So the return value of scanf will be 3. Okay, then printf, what is the return value? It will print 3. Okay, now let's run. Since it is scanf, it will wait, the cursor will be blinking for me to enter the input. Let me enter 10, 20 followed by 30. So what is the answer? 3. So this printf will print 3 because scanf is reading 3 integer values. Okay. So this is how we can make use of scanf within printf. The next one. If you have understood my previous questions, this would have been very easy. Okay, it will print a garbage value, right? It will print garbage value because I'm not going to print any values of x, y, and z. It will throw up a warning, but it will print a garbage value. See 3 garbage values. These are all warnings because I'm not following the actual format here. Okay. Next one. This is also very interesting. Hash define ABC. The syntax is the same. You have to start with percentage s. You have to start with percentage s hello, which means printf ABC comma ABC. So it will print percentage s hello followed by hello because ABC is pointed by hello. See, percentage yes hello followed by hello. Okay, you can make use of Turbo C editor in order to find out the answers without any warning. Okay, see here. I'll run the code. Now find out what is happening. Printf yes plus 5. What is yes? Hello world. Okay, plus 5 means it will skip HELLO. HELLO. The characters are skipped. The remaining space world is being printed. Okay, if I give 6, what will happen? String plus 6. So first 6 characters will be ignored. It will print only world. Now check. It will print only world. Okay. Next one. This you have to really understand. Now check here. It is plus plus x comma plus plus x. What is the answer you have to get? Since it is static int x, x will start from 0. It will not have a garbage value. X value will start from 0 because it is prefixed with static keyword. Okay, now it will come here. Printf percentage d. First value plus plus x. What is the answer? Plus plus x. You will get plus x. You will have 1. Correct? 0 pre-increment, so it is 1. Second printf, it is again plus plus x. So what is the answer? It will be 2. What is the answer you have to get? 1 comma 2, right? But the answer will be 2 and 1 because it will start printing from right to left because of this increment operators. So the output will be 2 followed by 1, 2 and 1. Got it? It will not be 1, 2, it will be 2, 1 because it will print x, this x plus plus value first and then it will move on to the second one. Got it? Okay? Okay. That's it. Thank you.